Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Everything Martha, Crafts and More. I want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I'm super excited that you joined my channel and I hope that you enjoy the videos. So welcome to all of you, my new subscribers and my previous subscribers. I have a little dilemma going on here today and I'm going to show you in a minute what that is. And maybe you can help me out in the comments below and tell me if you have any suggestions. Yes, today's video is going to be a craft with Dollar Tree items, and it's gonna be the one with the rake that I showed you in the haul. I hope that it turns out as cute as I envision it. And soon coming up, I'm gonna have a couple of cooking videos. I'm gonna make a wreath for July the 4th with Dollar Tree items. I think that's gonna come out super nice. And you know, when I make a wreath, I don't like it to be like super like difficult to make. I like to simplify it, and so that's what I'm going to do, and I hope that you will join me for those videos. And so let me show you now the dilemma that I have.
You see that there? My niece brought her hamster to my house and it got out. I don't know where it is. For the last couple of days, I've only seen it once. This is my mother's side of the house. And when I came in this morning, it was eating. That's peanut butter right there. We're trying to lure it, but it ran away and I can't find it. So there's a loose hamster in my house. If you have any ideas as to how I could capture it, please leave it in the comments below.
So there you have it, you guys. Please let me know if you have any ideas so that I could catch that hamster that's just roaming around here. I saw it this morning for a second when I went to open the door. It was eating the peanut butter that I have out there, but it ran away and I tried to find it, and that thing is fast. Like, it just disappeared on me. So pray that I find it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Take care. Until then, bye guys. Okay, my dear friends, and these are the things I'm going to use. And here is the rake, and yes, it is plastic, but it does say for light duty use. And there is the broom stick that I bought separately. I'm gonna be using that, and I'm going to be using these two berry picks. I think those are so cute. They remind me of little lemons. And I'm going to be using this metal thermometer, also from Dollar Tree. Some paint, some of this craft fabric. I'm going to be using some ribbon, and I might be using some of this twine, a hot glue. I'm gonna be using those cutters right there, blocks, Jenga blocks. And I have that flower. I've got this garland with the little bees. I think it's so cute. And maybe some of these beads. I think that's about it. If I think of something else, I'll bring it out and I'll tell you as I do. So let's get started. I think this is going to be such a cute craft, and I hope that you'll join me. This is actually a garland. I'm gonna cut two of these little bees out, and I'm going to draw their faces, and I'm gonna paint their little bodies. I'm just gonna cut the twine. Two will be enough. So as I said, I'm going to use a black magic marker to draw the face and the little body of the bees, and then I'm going to use some black and yellow paint for the body and some white and blue for the wings. I'm also going to add a little Mod Podge and glitter for the wings of the bees. Now that I've completed the bees and their drying, I'm gonna start to cover the stick of the rake with this burlap material. I'm using hot glue and a craft stick to hold it down. The burlap material did have a lot of creases, so I did have to iron that. You can have the option of covering your stick, or you can paint it, or you could cover it with a wood look contact paper, which I did have, but I wanted this look of the burlap. So I've done that. Okay, and now I'm going to get this burlap ribbon that I have, and I'm gonna put it in the ends. I'm gonna hot glue it to the ends. piece here. It's time to work with the top of the rake. Let me open up this really cute thermometer. This is going to be like a garden decor, or like for the front of your house if you have some plants there, or in your back porch. Isn't that pretty? That is really nice. And it's not only that it's a decor piece, but it's also going to tell you what temperature it is outside. So it's double duty. And here are my little bees. I'm going to have to cut these. Okay guys, so I was able to cut them. But I have decided that I don't want this rake to be such a bright orange. So I'm gonna paint it a little bit with, I'm gonna mix this antique white and this warm buff. And it's not gonna be painted perfectly. I want it to look a little bit like uneven, but I don't want it to be such a bright orange. So I'm just gonna give it a quick brush with mixing these two colors. I want it to look like a little bit of a distressed old rake. So I've painted it in the antique white and beige, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this metallic chocolate brown, just so that it looks like it's a little rusted in certain places. Just very little, a little touch of it. Okay, so I've attached the rake handle to the rake, and this is the way that it turned out. It looks really old and rusted. I really do like the way that it turned out. Now I'm gonna start to decorate the top part of the rake and the bar as well. Okay guys, so I'm done decorating and making my rake thermometer, and I'm going to give you here a little glimpse of what it looks like in the front of my porch, in the front of the house at night. Then I'll take it to the back terrace and I'll show you what it looks like there in daytime. have it decorated for summer, obviously, but you know, when fall comes, I can just very easily remove the little picks with the berries, and I can make it look like a fall rake, and like I can put a fall bow and remove the little bees, and I think that's nice. So you can have it out all year round. And let's see what the temperature is out here today. It is 80 degrees. I love that thermometer. I think that rake came out really nice, don't you? Like, look how old it looks and how rusted. It's a really pretty decor, and it did not cost a whole lot of money. So thank you again, and I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you'll be there for my next one. Take good care. Bye.